March without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning. Mwah. Are they still asleep?
No, Sophie isn't, Maddie isn't.
Alright. Say good morning, Holly.
Morning.
Morning. Kagabi, hindi ko na na-close yung vlog ko, pero natapos kong, bless you kuya, natapos kong tupin yung mga tupiin. And, ayan. Kagabi, hindi ko na nababa yung mga dala ko. Dito pala, dinala ko tong Bondi Boost. Dito ko ilalagay sa carbon. And yung blower ko, dito ko na rin ilalagay sa carbon. Kasi diba meron na tayo yung ating air wrap. And dala ko yung bilin ni Holly. Ilagay ko to dito sa shed. Tapos ito yung kanyang, galing sa Smigel. Bigay din to ni Auntie Mel sa kanya before Christmas. Or ito yata yung kinuha niya sa pag-shopping nila para sa birthday ni Holly. Yung late Christmas, late birthday gift. Ayan. Who is it? Ayan, game siya. So, dinala ko dito. And, may dala rin akong shampoo and conditioner. Ay, kuya, Isaac, put this one. I have hula hoop. Put this one. That's mine. And, eto yung shampoo, conditioner. And, eto yung mga diniclutter kong damit. Tanong ko, may bata kasi dito na may kapatid na lalaki. Si Maddie. Kasi ang ganda pa to guys. Oh, mga branded pa naman. Adidas, Quicksilver, Nisak na hindi na kasya sa kanya. Tapos meron pa dyan na bagong-bagong Adidas na pants na $79 na hindi ginamit ni kuya. Binili yun ni Jan para sa kanyang golf. Pero pwede siya kahit hindi pang golf. So ito ilagay ko to dun sa bathroom dito. Meron tayo ditong shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Put this on Daya. And soap. Okay? Put that one in the bathroom. Ang alikabok na. Kasi nakabukas yung shed. Ha? Ito, papiliin ko siya. And meron ditong PlayStation. Ang ganda pa niya. Yung PlayStation na to. Si mama niya raw magpili. Ayan. Yan ko nilagay. Sabi ni Kuya, saan mo naman yan ilalagay mo? Ay, ang ganda kaya nito. Pinaghirapan ito ni Holly sa school o kanyang bilin. You can put it here for now. Diba? Lagay ko na dun yung blower. Nandito yung mga ibang bowls ni Holly. Ayan. Okay. And kuha tayo ng mga labahan nila. Meron akong nakolekta dun. Ayan. Labahan. More labahan. Just ko lang katapos ang labahan at tupiin. Tapos na tayo magtupi dun. Tapos, may sinampay pa dun, diba? Ayan. Ito. More labahan. Oh. Okay. Oh, sus. Isang bucket na naman na labahan. Okay. Alis na tayo. Are you coming with me? You are? No? Alright. So, ito, may labahan din naman tayo.
Are we going Coles or?
Yeah, we're gonna go grocery.
Coles or Woolworths?
Coles? I don't
You
know.
don't like Coles? No, you like it, but not much the people.
What do you mean the people?
Like the counter.
Ah, the
Yeah.
self-check.
Yeah.
Are you coming with me?
Yeah. Depends if Dad comes home before we go.
Alright, so, ay, malinis na dito.
Yeah, so
And yung langit ay medyo makulimlim, pero meron ng nagki-clear up naman pala. Kanina na makulimlim. Okay, let's go. Bring this one kasi maglalaban na naman
if
tayo.
Dad comes home before we go, I will go because
Alright. Kasi nasa laot pa ang daddy
he
nila.
finishes at 12, I think.
I think we're going before that. Okay, let's go.
No.
Kuya is going fishing.
Yeah.
Magpi-fishing si
I
Kuya.
couldn't go because
There's no space
Yeah.
in the car.
Yeah.
Is Kobe gonna take them?
Yeah.
Okay. Wala na ba akong nakalimutan? See ya! And maligo na. See you, Yam. Love you. Be careful, okay, when you go fishing. Bye. We are home, okay?
Wow! 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 I own wow.
And dinagdag ko yung mga ano niya dyan, oh. And ayan yung extra pillows. Diyan ko lang sa gilid nilagay.
Taylor can't just have one pillow.
Yeah, you can have an extra pillow there.
Okay.
Good?
That's so clean.
Yeah. Yung mga sinampay. Kukunin na naman yung mga sinampay na yun.
My little hamster. Oh, my hat round. Holly. Holly, come sit on this.
Oh. Yung horse nandito lang. Pinagmamayabang ni dito lang yung horse. Pinagmamayabang ni sa kanyang gaming room.
What's this? What is this? There's toys in there. Is there?
No, not toys.
No, it's like the fluff.
You know the little one, the gold and white,
Oh, Lord.
the bean bag.
Oh,
The
and
little-
there's a bin.
Yeah, they're bean bag, but the small from Kmart before, and then I'm about to throw it.
And then there's stuff all down there.
Yeah, because it's coming out all the foam, or yeah. So I just put it inside there.
Three.
No, just two. I don't know. There's none there.
Yes, there is. How'd you get
No, there's none.
Oh,
No, not that one.
this one's just really.
Yeah, meron pa kasi doon.
in one.
Oh, unsip it.
Zip it.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready. We're going.
What? This is like a robot.
I know. I'm gonna buy you.
Like this.
I'm gonna buy your cover. Because this is not your room anyway. Si Unicorn, doon ang ano ni Unicorn kasi wala naman siyang pwesto na. Pwede naman dito ni Holly paglaruan niya. Dito
This
ilagay.
is a nice rug. Yeah, I don't like this. My little baby. Violet.
Violet. Oh. Where's Violet pacifier?
I think it's in where her baby bottle is. My lips are kind of dry. I need some of this.
Yan ang lagi niyang concern din. Dry
Got
lips.
my
Pero
teddies.
makitubig siya. Makitubig naman to si Holly. What's that, Papa?
You have my teddies.
Teddies.
Right there. I like it. My teddies all along the wall. My books are nice and neat now.
Yeah, I fixed that too. So when you get your book, when you read your book, put it properly. It's not hard, Holly. And don't put a lot of toys there. I just want like that, okay? Kasi minsan nilalagay niya din yung toys niya dyan.
I need to change her diaper.
No, there's no diaper there.
It's her diaper rug.
Yeah, just a diaper rug.
She has a diaper on her anyway.
Where's Auntie Mouse dog?
Uh-huh.
Auntie Mouse dog.
I think I put it in the room.
No, it's over there. You put it there.
Oh, yeah.
May dog siya doon.
She sleeps up.
Get your dog there.
And guys,
Diyan yan
I
nilag-
checked the comments and saw the name, but I haven't told my mom yet.
Yeah, naghahanap kami ng pangalan and nagbasa na siya ng comment. Hindi ko alam kung anong napili niya. What did you choose?
Chloe.
Chloe? No, not Chloe.
But it said Chloe.
No, not Chloe.
Wait, I forgot all the other ones. Was
There's
there?
more there.
Is there?
Mm.
Did they put more comments? Might go to see that then. And I put this in. I put her little doggy bone in her mouth, and then she goes to sleep. It's a bit hard.
Sorry, yan. Ang isa niya pang laruan. Is that dog or rabbit?
It's a hamster.
Hamster? Mali pala ako, guys.
See?
Ah,
If I put my finger in it, she's like,
biting it. Ah, cute.
And there's like
Alright. Mag-load ako ng
this button at the back.
ng mga labahan pa para matapos ng mga labahan dun. Ito pa pala. Sak! Ilalagay pa to sa mga, drawers. Lagay ko na nga muna. Ito pala yung, nabili ko saan ko ba ito nabili? Shein. Yung cover sa, sa buhok after nyo mag-shower. So, yung gagamitin ko to. Gamitin ko na yan. Hello! Hi guys, nakaligo na ako nakapagkulot tayo. Hindi ako nag-spray ng yung pang pa-hold. Naglagay lang ako yung parang living proof na mag-shine siya and smooth pa rin. And hopefully mag-hold siya. Pero feeling ko hindi kasi wala naman siyang spray net. And yung dalawa, wala pa akong lip tint. Yung dalawa, ayun, nagtutulungan sila guys. Kinukuha na nila yung dry na mga damit and isasampay nila yung nilabhan ko. Alright, mag-lip tint na ako. Kasi alis na kami. Guys, palis na kami. And si Holly hindi sasama kasi nandito ng daddy niya. Ayan na. Kararating-rating lang. So, hindi siya sasama. Oops, ang dilim. Ang dilim. Ayan. Hindi sasama si Holly sa ating grocery. Si Sak lang. Sak, why are you wearing your jumper? Sabi ng daddy, sabi ng daddy niya, hubarin yung jumper kasi hindi naman ganun kalamig. Hindi na nga malamig, naka-sleeveless nga tayo.
What do we need to get?
Huh? Fruits?
Fruits?
All round fruits.
We have round fruits.
And some pork.
Pork?
Yeah. Degrees outside. Dito na pa kami sa mall. Dito pa yung ibang gamit ni Holly, hindi pala yan. Ayun, yung isa dun. Yan yung bag namin. Punta muna kayo dito sa Asian store. Kasi kukuha na naman siya ng panda. And what else?
Don't know.
Parang pinipimples ka na sa.
No.
I can see. Don't pick it, okay? 23.
that's
No,
in
that's Adelaide. What's today? Here. 22. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Meron siyang kangkong. Katayin yung kangkong. Pinakuha ko sa ng basket. Wala pa rin sila yung yung malunggay. Kahapon yung ulam ng kapatid ko, nagmukbang siya, nag-live siya. Yung tulingan na ginataan ni mama, ang sarap. Kasi hindi ito tulingan.
What is that?
I'm not sure what's this. Let me see. Yellow pin siguro to. Mackerel. Then, eto pa din ako nito. Buti lang, meron silang fresh na gulay today. Sunday ngayon guys, 29. December 29. Na, bag more please. Thank you. Meron ba silang bagoong? Yung fresh na bagoong? I mean yung hindi, yung puti lang. Ay, wala silang bagoong. Ano ba yan? Walang bagoong. Yung nasa bote lang sana. So, kuha tayo ng sile. Maanghang daw to. Tingnan natin. Kung maanghang nga siya.
Is that it?
Not yet.
Don't I know?
Huh?
Is that the plastic?
Yeah. 4, 5. Ito pa na ko.
Huh?
I need that one. Where's the chili bag? Akala ko meron dito. Yeah, just put it there. Thank you. Fudge? Okay, get one. Ah, okay. Meron sila anchovies na ganito. Ang lalaki naman yan. Yes, dato puti. Thanks. Oh, not that one na. You want that? I want this one. The plain one. That one is already have chili. That one, yeah. Thank you. Huh? So I could get the eggs. Huh? $16. Put it there now at the front. Tanong ko siya kung maanghang talaga to. Sabi niya hindi raw masyado. So, siguro makuha lang akong dalawa. Pero nakalagay dito long chili spicy.
What are these?
Sige, dalawa lang. Kasi meron naman ako dun na maybe I'll get some of this. Get me plastic also. Ano lang ako dito, pili ako. Ayan, we'll get those two. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye na tayo. Parang gusto kong sardinas. Hindi pang gisa-gisa. Wala silang yung coconut. So, ito yung kinuha ko, grated coconut. Wala sila yung isang pandan na tulad sa atin. Pero kuha pa rin tayo nito. Ito na lang. Wala sila yung young coconut. Right. Ito lang nabili natin. Punta kami ng food court kasi si Sak gustong kumain. Kaya meron siyang kinuha sa Kmart. What did you say, Sak? Foodland, yeah. They close. Close ng Foodland too. Order na ako doon. Si Sak. Dito siya. What do you want, Sak? Where you get this from? What kid?
He said we like Christmas.
Huh?
Do you want one of these? And I was like, I he said thank you.
Oh. Binigyan siya ng bata raw, oh. Lollies. Ayan sa kanya, 2 crispy chicken, sa akin hotdog. Tapos nag-order kami sa Boost ng Mango Tango. Mag-share na lang kami kasi large yung kinuha ko. It's Mango Tango ready? Yeah, thank you.
Charlotte?
Knife? Papa kami ng isang crispy chicken. Dito niya raw ipalagay. Kulang. Ah, there's none, Sak. There's more. Can I have one more? Third. Pinagsala pala ni Sak. And yung una niyang kinain yung Santa Claus. Nasa Rios. Renils ko. Tapos ayan, lollipop. Nakatatlo siya, guys, na sushi. Dito kami sa isang Asian store. Tingnan ko, mayroon silang buko. Yung isa, pumunta kami sa isa pa, kaso sarado. Yung malapit doon sa camera house, dito kami. Ano to? May soya bean. Ayan. Ah, ito. Meron siyang maliit. Ito na lang. Okay, so wala. Singkaluk. Made from where ito? Saan ba ito galing? Hindi ko na ito mabasa. Ay! Philippines pa ito. Malaysia. Okay na yan. Ito. Ay, tingin ako. Wait. Wala din. Wala. Nabuksan ko na yung lahat ng freezer niya. Wala siyang coconut. Ito juice yan, coconut juice. Okay. Kami na naman ulit mag-grocery. Thank you sa mga nag-i-enjoy sa grocery namin. Isa. Gustong gusto niyo si Sak nakasama ko. Ako gusto ko rin si Sak kasama kasi may katulong ako. Sak. What we gonna do first?
Oh, I don't know.
Drinks first? Drinks muna. Mamaya na yung drinks. Doon muna kami sa mga detergent. I need fluffy, Sak.
Fluffy.
Uh-huh. No. This one. What?
No, it's comfort.
That one.
No.
No, not that one.
Oh, that's how much.
Good? Oh,
This too?
yeah.
This too.
This one. Deep clean.
That's toilet stuff.
Yeah, I do. I have a lot there.
Okay, that it.
Yeah, that one. What do you want? Pantene? Gusto niya yan. Okay. Can you fix it properly, please? Palmolive.
Yeah.
Wala yung gusto ni dyan na mango. Dove. Okay, wait, Sak. I still have cling wrap. Drinks, yes. No, you have to get two. Mussels. Okay. Kailangan na namin ulit mag-refill ng fruit box kasi ubos na. Oh, still 2 for 7. Hang on, okay. What? Hinahanap niya yung maramihan. Okay. Okay. We need to get Coke for Daddy. Fruit box, yeah. Yeah. How about the apple raspberry? No? That's it. You sure? Get 2 of them, please. There's no Fanta. No Fanta, sir? Oh, we need that one for the fruits. Just put on top of the water. Okay? What else? Get a few, please.
You already have one.
Yeah, but he already ate.
Yeah.
Not that one, you already got one.
Oh, you don't already have one.
Ah, alright. How about that one? That one with thins. No? Okay, we have to get more snacks. This one. Wow, why are you looking? Binubuklit niya to. That one? Okay. So that one is better. Okay. $6.50 daw yun. How many?
15.
No, how many pieces inside?
15.
15 pieces, 15 packs, ito 8 packs for $4. So, mas mura kami daw dun sa $6.50. Okay. Isama nyo to si Sak sa grocery kasi nag-ano talaga siya ng ano, kinocompute niya talaga. Okay, what else? Yeah. Get to. Oh, yan na, binuklit niya na naman. Coconut cream, coconut milk. Ito walang bubuklitin si Sak. Yeah. Oh, bakit dent na yung iba? Okay, Sak. Meron pa ako dun sa bahay na. Where are we gonna put it? Maybe there? Okay. Don't put it there na. Put on top. Because we need... Oh, okay. Na-arrange niya kasi. There's spaghetti. Oh, this is... I like the thick one. 7.
So to eat.
Yeah. Kailangan ko ng bay leaves. Ito. Tapos... pepper. Ito. Sak, oh. And for my hot chicken wings.
Would you like to tell me how you on that? Like,
Zach. May sus ko ano naman tinitingnan niyo dyan. Nako, excuse me.
How come teams don't have the thing that has the
Ito. Sinusuksok na lang namin. Kasi ito kailangan namin tong space para sa fruits. Yung malaki na. Wala bang mas malaki pa dito? Ito. Kuha raw siya muna ng prime. Kasi yun yung aking pangako sa kanya. Pero siyang kumuha ng prime. Kasi tinulungan niya tayo sa bahay. 2. Siya talaga magpa-prime. Same flavor. Huh? How about the blue one? Mambigat nito. Kasi drinks halos. Silang ano? No, this one. Evaporated milk. Not skim. Okay, here, knock. 1, 2, 3. Sak, oh. Sak. Knock. Put on that side. Ako ng skim milk. Ulit ako cream. And yung creme fraiche again. Dalawa. Strawberries. Sorry. Ayan. Yeah.
Are you gonna get chicken?
Not tonight. Orange sa atin tawag nito, di ba? Yung passion fruit, $1.50 siya. Kuha tayo nito. Bilog eh. For New Year. Yung mga bilog-bilog eh. Kuha tayo nito. Bilog.
No, mate, too.
Anak, can you get the kiwi please?
Plastic.
No, kiwi. No, we don't need plastic for this one. I just have to put this one.
Not spicy.
And
Another one, right?
this one.
They're round.
Yeah. Mandarin. Ito mas okay siyang balatan kasi malambot yung dito. Yeah, I think so. And what else? We still have apples, right? Ganda na yung grapes. Ha? Nak. Wala pa tayong meat. Wala pa akong chicken. Oh, saan na natin ilalagay? Ay. Maybe I need to get another cart. Tayo ng 3 lemon and babalik kami ni Sak. Bayaran muna namin to kasi wala na kami mapaglagyan ng meat. Kuha pa ako ng chicken. Bacon. Okay. Oh, saan pa natin ilalagay? So, do you think so? We pay first and come back? Tayong lime. Oh, yeah, we need potato as well. Yeah.
You go that room, come back.
Okay.
That's it.
Get all the cans, Nak. I don't think so you have to carry those. The girl will just search it for you. Just get all the cans and biscuits and snacks. Si Sak, tumakbo kung nasaan yung Prime. Kukuha pa siya ng isa kasi naka-sale daw. $7 kasi yan sa Easy Mart. You said just one. Why you got to? Cheap daw kasi.
They're normally $5.
Oh, I said 7 in Easy Mart. Yeah. Kaya kumuha siya. We'll see because we have to come back. We have to come back to get some meat. Also, it's not gonna fit. Yeah. See ya. All right, let's go. Okay. Break. Yeah, some meat and ayan. Balik ulit kami. Pa ako ng cauliflower. Come on, Zach. Niloloko na naman ako nitong batang ito. Broccoli. Ayan. Here's that. Put it here. And bell pepper.
Those? Not
Yeah.
those peppers. Red capsicum.
Yeah, red. Bell pepper. We call this in the Philippines red pepper. Okay.
Red capsicum.
Alright. Red capsicum then. Come on. We have to get potato sack here. Ginger. Ito lang. No, not that one. Straight. No, I want the straight one. Get 2. Yes, 2. Thank you. Yeah. Garlic. We need more garlic. Okay. Okay. Ayan yung kilo nito. 33 per kilo. Banana, get banana. Because Daddy likes banana. Banana. Daddy likes banana. Come on. Tayo ng cabbage. Kalahati lang. Kalahati lang. Wings. V-wings. Meatballs. Nasaan yung meatballs? Okay. Maryland. Wings. Ito. Wings and meatballs. Sack here. Can you please sack? Come on. Ang lamig dito. Pork belly. Pork belly. Oh. Belly. No, that's not pork belly. This is leg roast. Pork belly. Wala nang belly. Shoot. Walang belly. Hala. Walang belly. Wala eh. Kuha tayo nitong leg roast. Walang, oh. Do you see any pork belly? That's right, that's not pork belly. Walang belly. Oh my God. Lahat ata naglitsyon. Sak, don't do that.
Hi. What should we get?
Mommy. Yeah, walang pork belly. Sabi Sak, move on ma'am. There's none. Kasi paulit-ulit akong balik-balik dito. Gawang pork mince. Ayan pa. Okay. Kuha ako nitong 1 kilo. Tapos, eto din. So, eto yung bacon pieces. Ito yung bacon na pang breakfast. Sak! Kuha tayo na twigs again, Sak. Asa na si Sak? Ito, ito. And where's the...
Right.
Yeah, free, and then the other one.
Crazy.
I'll buy this one.
But
Huh? Yeah, that's the best. Ito yung green.
that right.
Oyster sauce, huh?
Monster notes.
Monster? Ano rin naman nakikita nito? Okay. Alright. Wala yung gusto nila. Yung akin lang ang meron. Wala yung Yakult na gusto nila. Yeah. No, we still have that one. I need the cheddar cheese.
Oh, cheddar cheese peanut butter.
No. I don't think so. They have cheddar cheese with peanut butter. No. This one. No.
Plain cheese.
No, cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
Yeah, we're done. Ayan na.
Self-checkout.
You want? No, we're not gonna go self-checkout. Here. Oh, line up here. That's alright. Okay. Self-checkout na tayo. Ayan yung ating self-checkout. Si Sak, inutusan kong kumuha ng kamatis. So, itira ko kay Sak yung mga i-scan, yung scale. Eto, ako na nito. Saka yung banana. Eto. Tumakbo siya para maabutan niya. No. Banana. I already said that one. Okay, just wait. Cauliflower. One. Okay. Alright. Put it on top. Then, broccoli. Good job. Just wait. Alright. Next, garlic. May tinitrain po ako. Okay, just wait. Yep. Wait. You have to wait. Okay. Put in the bag. First time tong gawin ni Sak eh. Are you enjoying it? You cold? Okay. Put that one in the cart. That's right. Pressed. Okay, wait. Alright. Okay. Okay, we're done. It's my turn. Nangunguna na si Sak. Hindi pa tayo tapos, guys. Punta pa tayo ng Baker's Delight. Na si Sak. Sako, did you lock it? This one? Can you please unlock? Here pa. Sak. Bread. Sarado pala yung she's apple. Sunday ngayon. Oh my God. Yung fruits natin. Kulang tayo ng pineapple. Wow. Are you gonna stay here? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
There's no white bread, so I got the other one.
What?
There's no the white bread.
Wasn't
So
there?
this one is the wholemeal with sesame seeds. And I got this one. Daddy loves this. Yeah, okay, let's go. Bahay na kami. Ibababa lang yung mga para dito sa bahay.
What
Yung
do we
mga-
need? This?
This one,
This one?
this water, and this. Kami lang dito. Kalis na kami ni Sak papunta ng bay. Tapos nakalimutan ko, sabi ko may sinampay pala tayo doon, Sak. Ayun si Sak, kinukuha niya yung mga sinampay. Kasi bababa din namin yung mga pinamili namin na drinks at saka yung mga snacks nila. Doon, pero ayun, kinukuha din sa Saki boy. Very good talaga ang Saki boy. Sabi niya, wag ko na raw siyang tulungan. Kasi inaantok ako, nakikita niya akong inaantok. Sabi niya, I just stay in the car. Siya talagang kumuha, sinolo niya. Salamat po. Thank you. May patubig pa siya sa mama. Oh. Nauuhaw siya. Thank you. Dito na kami sa caravan, guys. Wala na akong energy.
$2.70. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Full bottles. You tell them to help.
Where are they? Where's Holly? Holly? Holly?
Dad, they're not in it. They're not in it.
Shh. Where's your sleeper again? Pero let's stop, help daddy now. You cannot lift that one, Baba.
Let me try it, right? Oh my God.
Sila na mag-put away niyan.
Me and Soap and Jazz were just in the caravan.
Where's Maddie?
Oh, she's in there. I think she's leaving tomorrow.
Oh, she's leaving tomorrow. I'm going back
Cause, like,
home.
Yeah, she's her like family, friends, cousins, and that are coming.
Ah, okay. Hmm?
I did my clothes today, see?
Ah, nagdala rin siyang clothes. Siya talagang aking
What's that stuff in there?
anak na lagi akong sisigna. Inaantok kasi, Kuya, what are you doing to my jelly belly?
Mommy, Winnie.
Where's Kuya?
Mama, Winnie.
Ah, sleeping. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Oh, I forgot to put the iron on.
Oops. Wow.
Did you get your prime?
No.
I thought you were.
Hmm?
Thought you were gonna get prime.
Didn't. They didn't have any.
Where at?
Nagsisinungaling siya.
I thought you was going to Woolies to get it.
No, I was just joking. We went Coles. Didn't have any.
What's for dinner?
Barbecue.
BBQ.
We're gonna do BBQ.
BBQ. BBQ.
Yeah.
Sakit ng ulo ko.
Did you have cold water? Zach, you should have got Zipper Doopers.
Yeah, Zach. The first time we went to grocery last week,
Now we can buy 'em.
I told you to get some,
We can
but
buy
you
'em.
said you don't want it.
So we can buy them.
I have to bring that Sprite home.
The Spirit.
Yeah, the Sprite. Can you get the Sprite out, please? Kailangan ko yan sa aking pagluluto.
Mom, what do you need it for?
For my cooking. And yung toyo ko, hindi ko napansin, kalahati na lang. Ha? Isak lang maglalagay ng mga...
I'll take that paper towel
Yeah, that's
So
here.
you ate mine.
for here.
Yeah. Parang walang tupiin. What? No, I don't want.
Yes, Pony.
No, no. That's so
Pony.
dirty now.
Maybe it was new.
Remember I told you you have to put the half first and then screw it
Brand new.
before. Ilalagay yung accessory niya dun sa box niya. Nagpapagnap ako, guys. Is enough? I did a little nap.
Tiny.
Tiny, yeah. Kasi si John balik-balik ang ingay. Nagbukas siya ng window kasi mainit. Are they starting the barbecue?
In a minute.
Hindi ako
how do you
magdi-dinner
do
kasi
this?
busog na busog pa ako.
How do you put giblets on?
Balik ako sa bahay kasi magtutupi ako. And mag-edit din ako pala. Si Jan ang magbabarbecue tsaka yung friend niya. What? No, I'm not. That's so
Remember it was
dirty.
new. Croc was new, right?
Oh,
Now it's not.
no, that's not new. Don't lose it, okay? Ay, dadalhin ko yung Sprite, yung rice cooker, dadalhin ko yan sa bahay. Ay, akala ko naglaway ako. Grabe lang, idlip talaga ako. Na ulit ako sa bahay, 7:24 na guys. And, hindi ko na na-vlog yung niluto ni Jen. Nag-barbecue sila doon. Hindi ako kumain. Naka-nap ulit ako. 2 beses ako naka-nap. Yung kinain nila is burgers. Tapos may kebab, yung chicken. Tapos sausages. And steak. Tapos yung tira namin ng coleslaw. Tapos potato salad. Tapos meron silang tangy noodles, yung orange. And si Zach sumama sa akin. Umuwi ako kasi, ayan, tutupin ko mga yan. Si Zach sumama para ayan po siya, gamer. And, ayan yung Prime. You got YouTube here? Do you? Wow.
I have it on that too,
Yeah, I didn't know you have it here on your TV.
but it's better like this.
Yan, dito siya matutulog sa akin.
Is that the writer? This motherfucker looks like...
Ayan siya. Hindi ako babalik doon bukas. Tapos si Holly, matutulog siya sa swag ni Zachary. First time ni Holly matutulog doon sa swag ni Zach. Sabi ko kasi, mag-edit din ako. Baka gabihin na ako. Ayoko na mag-drive ng gabing-gabi. So, si Zach sumama sa akin para may kasama ako dito. So, yun. Si Holly, excited siya? What? Saya-saya niya sa Prime. Kasi hindi ko niya binibilhan ng Prime pag hindi talaga kailang. Binilang ko lang siya kasi nga, laking tulong niya sa akin kahapon. Tapos kanina, di ba, kuha ng mga sinampay, tapos ako magtutupi. And plano kong, pag nagutom ako, siguro gawa ako ng buffalo wings. Kasi di ba may binila akong chicken. Tapos, ano pa ba yung binili ko? Mayroon ako yung spicy na sauce. So, we'll see. But, yeah, magtutupi ako. Tingnan nyo. Dami kong tupin. Mayroon dun sa kama, sa couch. Tapos, ayan. O, diba? Ang dami ko na natupi kahapon. Naubos ko yung tupin. Ito yung mga nilabang kanina. 2 load din to. So, yeah, i-end ko na yung vlog, guys. Kasi magtutupi lang naman ako. And pag nagutom ako, mag buffalo wings ako. So, and nadala namin to sa car. Yung mga, pala sabi ko, nasan yung mga binili kong fruits? Na iba, nandito pala. So, ipuput away ko rin to. Ito yung mga, yan, grapes, strawberries. Lalagay ko to sa fridge and blueberries. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. And in fairness guys, kulot pa rin yung buhok natin. Oh, ang soft. Hindi ako naglagay ng yung spray net. Yung living proof lang. Yung parang siya, lotion. Ganun lang. Para shiny. Tapos yung oil. Yun lang linagay ko sa buko. Pero in fairness shiny and kulot pa rin siya. So yun na guys. Thank you. Good night. And yung panlinis ko. Hala, bukas pala maglilinis ako ng yung glass. Andito pa rin kung paano ko siya iniwan nung first time na papunta ko dito. Nasabi ko yan ang gagawin ko ay lilinisin ko yung yung mga glass. Pero hindi. So yun na guys. Good night. Ang sikat pa ng araw. Ang taas-taas pa ng araw. Good night guys. Yan. Nagutom ako. Ginawa ko yung buffalo wings.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.